David Chytraeus, de Ratione Discendi, episode 27. Quatuor autem sunt praecipua artium generdra, quae rdredrum bonardrum et ecclesiae rdrei publicae, ac singulis privatium necessardriardrum doctrinam continent. As Chytraeus continues, he says, moreover, autem sunt quatuor. There are four. There are four praecipua. So praecipua here, you can see there is a ligature, and it's actually prae. That's what this little tilde means here below the, or the sedia below the e. So praecipua means particular or special. And of course, it's modifying genera in the neuter plural and nominative. Genera is the subject of sunt, which is a third plural present indicative active from esse. Moreover, there are four categories, specific categories, praecipua, of skills, artium. And this one, artium, feminine, plural, and genitive. You can translate it as arts if you want to, but it means particular learned skills. There are four categories, four specific categories of skills, quae. Now, from quae through the end of this selection, we have a long relative clause. The subject of the relative clause is quae, which I take as feminine plural and nominative. It is feminine and plural because the arts, artium, are its antecedent, and nominative because it's the subject of continent. So whereas artium is feminine, plural, and genitive because it's dependent on genera, the pronoun, the relative pronoun quae, which replaces it, is feminine, plural, matching in gender and number, but differing in case because quae is the subject of continent. So these arts, these skills, are the ones that contain or comprise the doctrinam, the instruction. So continent, third plural, present, indicative, and active. This is from the second conjugation verb contineo, contenere, which is simply a combination of cum and teneo, and then its object is doctrinam, a first declension noun that's feminine, singular, and accusative. So they are the skills, artium, quae, which comprise or contain the instruction, the doctrinam. And then in between we have some genitives and datives. So we say these arts are the ones that contain the instruction, rdredrum bonardrum, of subjects or themes, topics that are good and they are necessary. So rerum is feminine, plural, and genitive from the very common fifth declension noun res rei, modified by bonarum, same gender number case, and necessardriardrum, also feminine, plural, and genitive. So it is doctrinam, instruction, in those good and necessary subjects. Then we're going to have a specification. They are good and necessary. Ecclesiae, that is feminine, singular, and dative, good and necessary for the church. Rei publicae, another feminine, singular, and dative for the commonwealth. And ac singulis, this one I take as masculine, plural, and dative, and for individuals privately, privatim. So singulis here is being used as a substantive adjective, privatim, an adverb. So to explain it again, moreover, quatuor sunt praecipua genera. There are four categories, specific categories, praecipua, of skills, artium, or arts in the sense of learned inquiries. These are the arts, quae, that doctrinam continent, constitute the teaching or instruction in those subjects, rerum, that are good, and they are necessardriardrum, necessary. So et here is connecting bonarum and necessariarum. They are good and necessary for three categories. Ecclesiae, dative, the church; rei publicae, dative, the commonwealth or the state; ac singulis, and individuals privately. So this conjunction ac is connecting singulis to ecclesiae and rei publicae. Gratias vobis agimus. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed that lesson and that you learned something. To continue the free learning, check out the more than 2,400 lessons here on the channel. If you want to master the language, though, I suggest you join me as a channel member or on Patreon. You will get interactive quizzes, direct coaching, and personalized feedback so that you can really master the language, gain confidence, and have more fun with the things that we're doing. The lowest tier of membership starts at just $1.99. So I have to say, nolite a mordrardri. What are you waiting for? Thanks again so much for watching, and wali toto.